How to plant carrots at home and grow fast. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to plant carrots. 1. Choose the right time. Carrots are a cool season vegetable, so it's best to plant them 2-3 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area. You can also plant them in late summer for a fall harvest. 2. Prepare the soil. Carrots prefer loose, well-draining soil. Remove any rocks, weeds, or debris from the planting area. Dig the soil to a depth of about 8-12 inches and loosen it with a garden fork or tiller. If your soil is heavy or clayey, you can mix in some organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage. 3. Sow the seeds. Carrot seeds are tiny, so it's important to distribute them evenly. You can either sprinkle them directly on the prepared soil or create shallow furrows using a rake or your finger. Sow the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and space them about 2 inches apart. 4. Water the seeds. Carrot seeds need consistent moisture to germinate. After sowing, gently water the area using a fine mist or a watering can with a rose attachment. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to rotting. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. 5. Thin the seedlings. Once the seedlings grow to about 2 inches tall, they need to be thinned out. Thin them to a spacing of about 2-3 inches between each plant. This will give the remaining carrots enough space to grow and develop properly. 6. Mulch the soil. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around the base of the carrot plants. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and keeps the carrots clean. 7. Care for the plants. Keep the soil evenly moist throughout the growing season. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry periods. Avoid overhead watering to prevent carrot foliage from becoming susceptible to disease. 8. Harvesting. Carrots are typically ready for harvest around 60-80 days after sowing, depending on the variety. Gently pull out the carrots from the soil, grasping them by the greens and wiggling them loose. If the soil is hard, use a garden fork to loosen it before pulling. Remember to rotate crops every year to prevent pest and disease buildup, and enjoy your homegrown carrots.